get ready for this creepy story. It's gonna be spooky, so get ready for it. If you like haunted houses, I got the one for you. There's one in Market Heights, Illinois. It's called Spook Hollow. To get your tickets, go to spook-hollow.com. That's spook-hollow.com. On to the video, and hope to see you there. This creepy story is called Hearing Clown Noises. So, what would you do in the situation where you're hearing clown noises, like a laugh and the little horn, and you turn around and nothing's there, and you keep hearing it, and you're going insane because of the sounds you're hearing, and you're trying to find an explanation, but you can't find the explanation. You just hear the clown noises, the evil laughs of the clown, the terrifying horn, and you tell other people and they think you're crazy that they don't hear it. Only you can hear it. Only you can hear the clown noises. So what would you do? Would you go crazy? Well, you already are going crazy. What would you do if no one believed you? Would you think you're the crazy one? Would you think it's all in your head? Would you try to convince people that it's not all in your head? Or would you just give up? And today I am a wizard. I don't know where the green jacket is, because I would wear a green jacket and be like a Slytherin. Or try to look like a Slytherin. And I just got the wand. So yeah. I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy the story, and what would you do in that situation? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Extra Patrona. Pretty sure I said that right. Anyways. Peekaboo, I see you. The creatures are coming to get you. Bye.